Alright, Pierce is back. Pierce195 is going to do another box of Allen and Ginter on release day. Do box 9. Box 9. Good luck, Pierce. This is a lot of packs. John Gray, Gary Carter, A&G back, Seaver, Nolan Ryan, Franco, Jackson, Cano, regular back, Ryan, Drury, Marble Caves, Yasmani Tomas, regular, and D. Gordon. Murray, Governors. Rawlings Blake, Governors. Marte, rookie. Williams. Trey Turner. Trout. Kotham. Murphy. And if one was good, the red ink is better. Because that is out of 10. 7 of 10. Red ink. Luis Severino. Red ink. Hand numbered. 7 of 10. Mini framed autograph. Building rainbows. Building rainbows. Just a bit better. Nice hit, Pierce. Turner, Matthews, Kendrick, Fingers, Schwarber, Drury, Harbor of Rio de Janeiro, and Denise Austin, fitness instructor, fitness used. Smell it. Sniff it. Ref Snyder. Mieta rookie. Iwakuma regular back. Knudsen, Lee, Fernandez. Bob Feller. Revere. Darno. Murphy. White. Faulkner. Rookie. A&G back. Waldrop. Longoria. Boba Forrest. Ortiz. Reynolds. Real Muto. And Pedroia. Tom Murphy. Rookie. Carsall Cat. Smoltz. Cobb. Corbin. Male or Mile. Regular back. Mattingly. Michael Conforto. Regular. Rookie. Regular back. Grand Canyon. Adams. Jane Adams. I want an Ernie Johnson auto too. Henderson. Trace Thompson. Reynolds. Regular back. Jones. And Steve Kerr. If you guys don't live in LA and listen to Petros and Money, you will not understand what the Steve Kerr thing is about. But it is Steve Kerr. We got McCullers. Thomas, and we'll finish with the Cliffs of Moore. Albert Pujols is your oversized card. Not numbered, not autographed. All right, thanks, Pierce. Let me know if you want to do any more, man.